Hello foodies, welcome to my tasty treats. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please look onto the screen, click the red subscribe button and click the bell icon near to it so you'll be notified by all my recipes. Please do subscribe guys. Yes, the first and foremost thing you need for a baking is cake tins or cake pans, however you call them. But you even have a substitute for this cake pans. Just watch this video till last for that particular substitute. There are two main types of pans, is aluminium and non-stick, but I prefer to go with aluminium based pans, which is moderate and cheap and you can easily find it. So the next is I have a square 6-inch size pan. This serves for about 4 to 5 members. And the next thing is 8-inch pan. This serves for about 5 to 9 members. So I prefer going with 6-inch, but you can even opt for 8-inch or 9-inch. So it's very good to bake in an oven and even in a cooker or in a pan. So I have more interesting substitutes coming on the way for even the cake pans. So just wait for it and get it right. The next most thing is just need a electric beater. There is a tough time when you whip the cream for your cakes. So it's better to go off and get a electric beater. Actually, this is Bajaj Majestic electric beater. I find it very useful. This is used to knead chapati doughs or any types of dough, but this is a cream beater which is used to beat creams for cakes and even whip the eggs to the fullest. So I find it very beautiful and very easy with it. And you can see this is Bajaj Majestic HM01. I find it lightweight and it's really stylish. So I prefer this type. You can even get any other brands, but I prefer this. If you love chocolate recipes or chocolate cake truffles or anything that is chocolatey, the first foremost thing is to go and buy a cocoa powder of any brand. Brand doesn't matters, the cocoa powder, the name matters. Yeah, Hershey's cocoa or Cadbury cocoa or Wakefield, anything is better, but buy a cocoa powder of any brand. This is Wakefield and I've used this. It is 50 grams for 60 rupees and I've even used a baker's cocoa powder. It's really good. And the next one is 150 grams is 205, that is Cadbury cocoa powder. And the next thing is Hershey's cocoa powder. 225 grams is about 225 rupees. So most of us will have whisk at home, so no need to worry. But the next thing is spatula. I find this very good to go with because I can scrape down all the batter without wasting anything. You can just use for any purpose. So just get a spatula. Yes, so as I already told you, I'll be showing you a best ever substitute for your cake pans, and this is the best ever substitute. You can go with aluminium foil. What you need to do is just prepare your cake batter, pour it in that and keep it in a cooker or a pan. But there is some measures and some steps while making in a pan or cooker, so just wait till end and watch it. But with the help of aluminium foil, you can't bake cakes in an oven or in an OTG, but you can make cakes in the a cooker or in a pan. So just buy cake pans. The next thing is measuring cup. Measuring cup is main in the part of baking. Without measuring cup, you cannot make a cake which is really soft and fluffy or airy or anything. So buying a measuring cup which has a 1/4, 1/3, half and 1 cup. These measurements are important, so just go and buy a measuring cup. If you don't have an oven, don't worry, take a kadai or a pan or a cooker or whatever it is, add some salt or sand at the base and place a stand. Placing a stand is a must. Then you can place your prepared pans. And have a happy baking.